Water generates all things and accumulates extraordinary power. Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited, devoted and skilled in water treatment. Over 20 years, tempered by time, Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited has always been deeply involved in the field of solid-liquid separation. It has risen to become a highly representative manufacturer of filter presses in China and is undoubtedly a leader in the industry. Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited, born in Shanghai in 2004. Adhering to the vision of establishing Dazhang reputation and creating industry brand, the company has developed into a solid liquid separation equipment supplier and engineering solution provider that integrates production, manufacturing, research and development, sales, and international trade. At the same time, Dazhang established Zhengzhou International Trade Company, extend the pace of progress from domestic to international. Looking globally, with service centers throughout the country and overseas offices covering international markets, jointly promoting Dazhang to become a globally renowned filter press brand. On the way forward, Dazhang focuses on hardcore technology. We have obtained multiple qualifications, including domestic and international certifications. We have applied for more than 80 patents and participated in the formulation of filter press national standards and have won multiple honors, including National Specialized and Innovative Little Giant Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, and Henan Province Gazelle Enterprise. Guided by the technological development concept of building nets to attract phoenixes, Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited has established multiple advanced innovation platforms and industry university research cooperation alliances, build a bloodline and momentum for growth of enterprise. In Shanghai and Henan, Dazhang has 3 major production bases with an area of over 570,000 square meters. We have one-stop service capabilities from scheme design to equipment production, installation, and commissioning, the production and intelligent manufacturing of each product. All embody our craftsmanship and reverence for solid liquid separation equipment. Every product must undergo quality supervision and control throughout the entire process, from raw materials entering the warehouse, processing, assembly, to the entire machine leaving the factory, to ensure that a product has 100% ultimate quality. At present, Dazhang's product covers a series of products such as plate and frame filter presses, chamber filter presses, membrane filter presses, belt press filters, stainless steel filters, etc. Widely used in various fields such as environmental protection, mining, metallurgy, mechanical industry, petroleum, coal, printing and dyeing, ceramics, food, pharmaceuticals, new energy, etc. The sales network reaches the whole country and is exported to more than 100 countries and regions such as the United States, Southeast Asia, Europe, Russia, South America, etc. Based on the concept of mass marketing, great technology, precise management, and excellent service, Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited continuously expands the products and services, fully providing users with overall solutions such as material filtration, characteristic analysis and testing, filter press and supporting product selection, equipment installation and commissioning, training, technical support, and after-sales service. From the past to the present, we're well aware that creating value for customers is the eternal pursuit of Dazhang people. Keeping up with the development of the times is the confidence to stride forward in the future. We focus on the 3060 dual carbon target and adhere to the strategy of reducing sludge and prioritizing environmental protection. With the responsibility of Dazhang, we will promote the construction of green mountains and clear waters. You may ask, who is Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited? Since the first filter press was produced in 2004, Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited has always been your supplier of solid liquid separation equipment and engineering solution provider. When products branded with Dazhang quality and reputation goes from domestic to international and is known for all over the world. When each Dazhang worker, with a spirit of craftsmanship, expands beyond innovation on the way to lead the solid liquid separation, we have never stopped making progress, adhering to the development aspiration of based on China and facing the world. For China's intelligent manufacturing, for China's pride, with the filtration industry as the main track, with the belief of create, share, and prosper together, we're fully committed to contributing value and power. Dazhang Filter Equipment Company Limited.